Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LMFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And really, both of these levels that I talked, or really all the levels that I talked about, coming into play going into the weekend. So as far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'll give credit where credit's due. This red line resistance right here at 220 was definitely weakened up today. And it was weakened up because, yeah, the price actually did get a breakout above it, spent some time up above it. The problem is the price could not maintain above it and then fell back below it. And you can see that after the price fell back below it, had another attempt to try to get up above it right there, but that ultimately failed. So yes, 220 is a weakened level of resistance, but is still a level of resistance nonetheless. And then the overarching level remains right up there at the $3 mark, which I talked about. Actually, I think I called it 290. But you can see that is actually where the party stopped today. So, I mean, the power of charts right there, and, just a great example of how technical analysis can work in the real world. So, yeah, unfortunately, got the break of that initial level, went up there, got rejected. And getting rejected, that wasn't the end of the world. Just and even breaking back, but down below there, I don't want to say it's like the end of the world. But the part that really just put a much bigger bearish, spin on things was that not getting rejected here. That's okay. You can't have every single level of resistance to get destroyed in one day. But on the pullback there, to then have the price fall back below that level of resistance, that's what, like I said, kind of makes this it just gives it a very, very bearish context now headed into the weekend. As far as levels of support are concerned, you still have this area down here at $1.30. And the price is, consolidating out here right at that purple line, which is a good sign to see. But overall, very bearish day. And I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but just again, seeing how the price got rejected and then could not hold above that level, that's quite a bit of sign of weakness, and no such thing as a guarantee. But in my opinion, at least, I would not be shocked at all to see this thing drift down to $1.30 next week, but we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.